So what is an LLMStxt? It's very similar to a robot.txt that you would put on your website, except this is geared more towards the AI. So if you've got a WordPress website, if you go into the back end of your website and you're using Yoast, if you go down to the Yoast plugin on the left hand side right at the bottom and then go to settings, and you can see at the top the headings. You've got writing, you've got site structure, social sharing, tools, and then right down the bottom you've got this API. And if you go to the last one, you can see where it says LLMS.txt. And basically all you need to do is basically flick this button to enable the feature. Okay, so that's the first part of it. The next thing is we need to make sure that we can actually see it. So if you click the button above, once you've actually added it, you might have to refresh. Then you're going to end up with this file here, which is specifically for AI search results. So the next thing we're going to do is, once we've got our LLMS.txt URL at the top, we're going to copy and paste that, and we're going to go along to this directory. So it's directory.llmstxt.cloud, and it's a directory of people who are using this plugin. So it's a bit like adding it to Google or to a search engine, that type of thing. So all you need to do is just click on submit and then complete the form. So put in your website. Here you just type in or paste your LLMS.txt URL, put in a category, put your name, add your username, and then submit, and that will go into that directory. Now if you're not using WordPress, you could actually go to a generator. So this website is called LLMStxt.firecrawl.dev, and all you need to do is just put in your URL like so, and oh, that's not my URL, is it? Go to your URL. So what we'll do is we will just get this bit here, copy, and all you do is just put in your URL like so, and then generate, and that will then give you that generation of that TXT, and that's all there is to it. Thank you very much.